another day here, jet lifing it. About to go try to. What we gonna do?
I don't know, we're just at a stop sign. We haven't really decided what we're trying to do. No, I'm just playing. We're gonna go get one of those, a breaker bar. Yeah, it's called a breaker bar. And we need to head over to AutoZone, so that's what we're gonna go do right now. We're on our way towards AutoZone. We're gonna see how much it actually is at AutoZone and where we can get a better price for it. If we can get a better price at Napa, because last time, what was it that we went to go get that they didn't have at AutoZone? I think it was like a light bulb or something like that. But
we had to go to Napa.
We had to go to Napa, and it was actually way cheaper at Napa as well, instead of ordering it at AutoZone. So I think that's what we're gonna do today.
Yeah, we need that breaker bar, man, because we couldn't take off the drive shaft. It's a must. We need it. So my phone turned off.
Nice. It died? So I guess we are heading back home. This guy here forgot to bring the camera. He forgot to bring the other cam, and well, we're using his iPhone to record, and it just died on us. So now we have to go back to the house.
Thanks, man.
Damn. Well, we are back, guys. The other cam died.
Yep.
We had some problems.
We had some technical difficulties, as we say here in the.
And the thing is, we forgot it all the way back home, so we had to come back.
Yeah.
Now we're going AutoZone. So I need to get it back up and running. And then the thing is, it still turns on and everything. Why am I? Oh, I had to turn that way. What do you mean? Oh. Ah! It's these Phoenix roads. Out here killing me.
Killing your suspension.
And then the thing is that people have like the lowest cars out here, like the lowest trucks, and everything has potholes. Every street has a hole in it. Look at this big ass craters. Look, can you see that? I'm about to go in there.
I'm not going there. You're not coming down. The guy's reversing.
This guy almost hit me. I got you on camera, man. Better watch out. Better put it in drive. Where you going? You're gonna take off in reverse. Look, what I tell you? This guy. Oh shit. What a maniac. You think he was a girl?
Yeah.
It was supposed to like a girl. Nah, we're just playing.
We're just playing, man.
Yeah.
There are girls that are better drivers than guys out there, man.
Yeah, there really is. We don't know none, but there is. Y llegamos. Bájate, locuchón.
Auto parts store.
Oh. Where can I park? There's no parking spot. Dang.
I don't know, you have to park.
Oh, I found one right here. Banana fit.
Fuck, am I gonna get out?
Oh, I'm actually like that when there's the car.
I don't know if they're recording you, so.
Pásale. Gracias, It's only 11.
That's not a turquoise. Damn, that one's weird. Look, that's old.
It's like an old style.
Yes. Look, how about you? There's more over here.
Something from the modern day, it says. We're here at Nepalo.
Try to get this.
I got the door. Oh, you got the door?
I got the door for you.
We're not too big to AutoZone.
Look, these are welders, dude.
I don't know that one.
No, obviously, we just buy one and then we just learn, bro. Right, guys?
I don't know, man.
What do you guys think?
Those DIYs might come out really sketchy.
Well, yeah, but what I think is we practice and we learn how to do it, and we save a lot of money ourselves, right? Because we know how to kind of do it, but not professionally. If we need something professional done, we just do it professionally, man. But like for simple stuff, I think we should do it. Yeah or nah? Or later?
I don't think so.
A little bit later? I do.
Oh! Someone almost crashed. Well, we are back at ours. A good thing they're really close, right? Oh,
Yeah, man.
That's what you were gonna say.
That's what I was trying to say. That's what I was trying to say earlier. I just couldn't say it, man. I'm gonna go back in here, grab that breaker bar, and break shit. I just like that.
Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, we got a little late on us today. We'll see you guys tomorrow, but for right now, we're gonna put this WD-40 rust release penetrant. I think I said it right, but it looks like this. So we're gonna put this on, and you're supposed to leave it on for a while. So we're not gonna do it until tomorrow. So just put some on, and we're gonna leave that there for a while.
Well, as you guys see, it got really late on us, and it's kind of windy, so it's kind of hard to record right now. So, but we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, what's up? It is day 3 here in Jet Life, and we are back. And Black right here, my partner, is gonna take over today with all the mechanical work. He's gonna put in the work, so let's go check out what he's about to do.
Hi guys, as you guys saw last time, we were right here trying to do stuff with the car. It was late, it was dark, it was windy. We couldn't really do much to show you guys, so we're back out here. It's nice and sunny today, nice weather. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting the brake caliper back on, so that way I could jam a screwdriver between the calibrate and the breathing vents of the brake disc to jam the brake disc, I could take off the drive shaft nut. So let's get to it, man. So excited. Can you give me a screwdriver, bro? It's right back to you. Please?
Screwdriver? Should we get this long one?
No, it needs to be shorter because that one's gonna hit all the way.
But what kind? Like you need a star one?
Nice and thick.
Star or what?
Yeah, a nice thick one.
A star though or pallet?
Nah, thick one. Thank you.
Handy dandy. No, but.
Hey, screwdriver holder. You have one job. Here we go.
Yeah, bro.
Aquí no me quedó, compa. Okay, we are ready to try to take it off. Yeah, take that off. Give it a yank. No, not that. This, all of this.
Nope, I gave it a yank. It's not coming out. Oh, and it came out. Oh, there we go. There we go, Black. We just gotta give it a good tug. There we go. here. Take this out. How do we take this out, bro? Just pull it.
Yeah, there you go. And there we have it, man.
This looks like it's still on.
This is the busted one. This side is supposed to be not like this, that's for sure.
And this right here.
This lower ball joint is the what is it called? The rubber garment is fucked up. It's
Everything is messed up. We're gonna have to take
The
this off
rubber
as well.
bushing, the rubber garment.
But the good thing that this actually comes with this, doesn't it? When
Yeah,
you buy it online?
I think when you buy this one new, I think sometimes they come with the new lower ball joint. If not, well, we'll just get the lower ball joint. It's not a big deal. Okay, there we go. So now we're trying to take off the under control arm, which is this one. We need to unscrew this bolt, but I feel like I've unscrewed it all the way and it just doesn't want to come out. I gave it a few tugs, it doesn't want to come out. So now I am going to unscrew this bolt. And this, if it's stripped, if this screw's stripped, but we could just buy this piece new or just go find it at a junkyard for cheap. So that's not really a big deal. So now I'm unscrewing this to take this off. Once I take this off, we're gonna take off the control arm. Then taking off the control arm, we are going to get into back there to see what's really up with that part, to see if it's really broken, see if we could take it off to actually analyze to see what the broken parts. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna keep it going. I'm gonna keep her going. So as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads at it. None of us could take this under control arm. No, I'm just playing, man. It's going, it's getting there.
Hey, none of us are mechanics.
Yeah, none of us are mechanics actually. Well, I mean, it's getting there. It's getting there.
I thought it was mechanics school.
Oh, my fingers are dirty.
This is practice from ITT Tech.
We're gonna keep going at it for a little bit more. We are going to try to take that underarm out today. Today we have to have it out. Right now we are lifting up the engine just a little bit, trying to lift up the engine to try to get it over the bolt to try to take it out. Let's go see how's it going.
Ya salió.
Puta verga, güey, no libra, hijo de su puta. Are you serious, bro?
Lo está levantando, está levantando el carro, güey.
Estoy levantando el carro, güey.
Ya está levantando el carro.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. This is still under. A ver, ya va a salir, güey. Sí, güey, ya le va a salir, güey. No, ya lo está levantando.
Está levantando el carro, güey.
Dale vuelta, güey. No, güey, que todo está abajo ahí, güey, esa madre. Y si lo bajo, güey, va a tronar. Todavía pega, güey. ¿Le doy más? To take off.
Finally, guys, we got it, man. We took it out.
Yeah, that shit was stuck, fool.
I hit it with the hammer until it came out, and I am not lying. I feel bad that I did not record that, boys, because we were just in the moment, in the heat. I was heated, and I just hit it with the hammer, and it came out.
We're in the zone.
We were in the zone, man.
Enseñan el marro.
Had to use a little hammer.
Mi compa marro no, al marro.
The homie Thor let me borrow that one. So there you have it, man. Now on to the next part.
It does, fool, but I can't take it out.
No, doesn't that?
Yeah, it does, man. That's what it's for. Unless it's stuck there, because this is metal.
Oh, don't hit it like that.
Okay.
Well, the metal wire, the metal lines, you have to be careful with them. Okay, hold it really quick. Here we go. We're just gonna leave it right here because I really don't want to bleed out the brakes. I don't want to drain out the brake lines because we are gonna be using these same brakes. As you can see,
Hey guys,
we struggled a lot taking that strut off. That suspension just doesn't want to give, man.
it doesn't want to.
We had to bring a mechanic. Let me get over here. We had to bring a mechanic
to, well, he's not a mechanic, but he knows what he's doing with the grinders. He knows he works, his job is actually to be grinding.
Yeah.
He knows what he's doing.
So we called him to try to give us some help or an idea of how to take it off. And well, right now it looks like we're gonna take it off. Mechanic over here getting down, man. Yeah. Alright, so we did get this strut off. Ya, güey, ya sale, sácalo, pa' abajo. Chiva tú, babosetes, güey. Te dije, güey, que tenía dos, güey.
Alright, Jet Life, and as you can see right now, we got the suspension out, but the final step, and we need to bring down a mechanic, and he's all gonna let us know if the transmission is gonna be okay, and we can continue from there. But for now on today, thank you guys for tuning in. Please make sure to like, give that subscribe button. Thank you guys.